was life-changing. The retreat was such an incredible experience.
The first and the biggest transformation definitely is a degree of awareness with a lot of compassion into just understanding where I'm at in life, what is going on, and just having a very kind lens towards that.
More self-awareness. I've healed through trauma that was buried a little bit. I've found more vulnerability to be able to speak about things that I keep locked away.
I have learned so much more about myself and how to deal with shadows and even the good things.
I learned a lot about myself, and I learned a lot on things that I can help others with.
I came here because I was completely burned out at work. Extremely high stress levels every day. And honestly, I think after just the first night, that stress level went from, like a 10 to a 1.
It really gave me that time, that opportunity to really, to give myself some attention, some good, compassionate attention.
I have definitely gotten in touch with myself in a way that I haven't been before for a long time. So I've definitely gotten to know myself better.
There's no amount of money that could have brought me the experience that I got here. You should definitely do it with the love of God.
I just learned how to let go and let myself be myself and just be more in the present moment and just really enjoy the journey, not the destination.
It's a shift in perspective to allow you to see so many more tools that you have in your spiritual toolbox that you never knew about before.
And then you physically, emotionally, and psychologically begin to feel this expansion.
And it's hard to describe something that has that much magic and that much love and that much connection involved in it.
I was able to release some stuff that made me a full person again. I had a little bit in me that was closed off, and at one moment where I had that release and it felt like it opened up and I'm me again.
I feel like there are like some pieces in the puzzles that are kind of getting together about things that, explains my behavior, and my meditation has deepened.
I mentioned that I made friends with many, many people at the retreat, and one of those people was myself, and that's big progress.
If you ever feel like you're at a low point in life and you need a restart, or to gain a connection with the universe, please, please, please come on one of Itai's retreats.
There was so many incredible moments.
It was the most amazing experience that I've had.
And I really had a really valuable lesson about deserving to be heard, deserving to be seen, and just everyone just poured so much love and kindness to me. It's just so good.
And I learned there's a really easy way to come to peace within myself and to not react to difficult situations. This is truly transformation.
I think I'm ready to go out and be more compassionate with others. And I recognize that I have to be more compassionate with myself to do that. And so now I have the tools to understand how to make that happen.
It takes you to a little bit of a deeper level. And you go as deep as you can go. Nothing is forced on you. Nothing makes you feel uncomfortable. So he creates an atmosphere of trust.
I'd like to say I connected with my authentic self. Yeah.
Stepping into that authenticity and owning who I am and being proud of who I am.
So I now have learned that when something comes up that triggers me, I can go inside and just come to peace with that and not react like I might have in the past, but in a very loving and compassionate way.
I feel transformed by that love.
I never thought I'd experience anything like it. Like, please do it for yourself. Yeah.